I'm sitting in one of our new Bell 407 helicopters. We got 3 of these here last year, and we've been using them to patrol power lines. We go from town to town looking for any kind of damage, anywhere from vandalism to weather damage, and look for vegetation and brush issues. These 407s are a lot faster too. If we're going cross country from point A to point B, we can get there a lot quicker. They cruise at about 130 miles per hour. They have a lot of horsepower, and they give us a good platform to be able to hover right over a structure and look at things that we need to look at very close.
The 407 is a big improvement over the 206 aircraft that Bonneville has operated since 1967. It's a turbine-powered, single-engine light helicopter designed for 6 passengers and the pilot. So when we bought the 407, we leaped forward about 40 years in technology. So what that does for us is on our patrol speeds, when we're at 50 to 60 miles an hour, we have a very, very smooth aircraft. Our ability to get out there resolves serious issues rather quickly. Part of historical use of the aircraft has been the eyes and ears of the central dispatch to see what's wrong out there in the event of an outage. Of course, they know they have a line outage, but they don't know how serious the problem is. They don't know if a conductor has just dropped to the ground or if a tower has fallen over. And we travel with a lineman aboard. He can make the decisions as to what equipment needs to be brought out and radio that back immediately to the line maintenance people involved, so they can plan their work a lot faster. For routine work, it gives us a snapshot of any particular line at that moment in time. Well, the line is in service, but is it 100%? It also allows us to locate and catalog the small items that do need to be repaired, but don't need to be repaired on an emergency basis. Not to downplay the importance of the routine patrol, it is important just to know that there's nothing wrong with line A or line B. But really, the emergency response and the storm response is what keeps the helicopters around. If we can get out there, find the problem, get it figured out for the line crews and the Dittmer dispatch folks, that's what we're here for. It's a time-saving tool that allows us to do a lot of things in a short period of time.